Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the binary arithmetic operations. Okay, ma? Binary arithmetic operations. That means binary addition, binary subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. Out of that, binary addition and subtraction are very important. Okay, ma? So compared to binary addition, binary subtraction will be some complex. Okay, ma? And addition అనేది మనం చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. Suppose if you are taking the subtraction, then we are taking the borrow from the leftmost bit like that. So by taking the borrow means you are getting some confusion about that. Okay, so to avoid that complexity, we are using addition instead of subtraction also. Okay, ma? So subtraction చేసే ప్లేస్ దగ్గర కూడా మనం ఎడిషన్ చేయొచ్చు. Okay, so how to do the addition instead of subtraction? Okay, so అంటే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ బదులుగా కూడా మనం ఎడిషన్ చేస్తున్నాము అంటే how to do ఎలా చేయొచ్చు అంటే by using the complements we are doing the addition in place of subtraction also. Okay, so what is the advantage means yeah, by taking the addition, if you are designing a circuit for arithmetic operations, in that for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication and for division, we are taking the circuit will be very complex. Okay, ma? So instead of subtraction also, if you are doing addition means we need only the addition circuit only. That means the complexity of the circuit will be less. ఓకేనా, అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ బదులు కూడా ఎడిషన్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి no need to use the subtractor circuit. Okay, so the complexity of the circuit will be less. Okay, and the simplicity is also more by using the addition instead of the subtraction. Okay, ma? చూడండి, suppose ఒక simple example చూద్దాం. So if you are taking a simple example here, suppose if you are taking the two numbers adding, that means 1001. 1001. Okay, ma? Next 0010. Okay, so these are the two binary numbers we are taking. Now we are doing the binary addition. Okay, now we are doing the binary addition. Then what is the result we are getting? What is the result? So from the least significant bit we are taking the addition. One zero means we are getting 1. Okay, 01 means 1. 00 means 0. 10 means here 1. Okay, ma? So in this way we are getting binary addition. Okay, the same will be doing the subtraction. How to do the subtraction from here? That means 1001. Actually, what is the decimal equivalent for 1001? What is the decimal equivalent? 9. Are you remember? So we are taking the table for hexadecimal numbers and octal numbers. Okay, ma? So that will be remembered here. Okay, 9 means the binary equivalent for 9 is 1001. Okay, next the binary equivalent for 0010, the decimal equivalent, sorry, the decimal equivalent is 2. Okay, 9 plus 2 means what is the resultant we are getting? The resultant we are getting 11. For that 1011, 1011 ki మనం డెసిమల్ ఈక్వివలెంట్ చేసాము అనుకున్నామా, that is getting 11. Okay, so 9 plus 2 11. In binary addition, how to do that? 1001 0010. We are taking the equivalent binary numbers and we are adding, then we are getting the equivalent 11. Okay, So in the same way, if you are taking the binary subtraction, how to do the binary subtraction here? 1001, the same 9 minus 2 here we are doing. Okay, Amma? That means 1001 minus 0010. Okay, 0010. Here we are doing the binary subtraction. Okay. Then how to take the result here? How to take the result? 1 minus 0 means from the least significant bit we are doing the subtraction. Okay, 1 minus 0 means, so that is 0. You don't have any confusion there. Okay, ma? Next only. Here, one minus 0 means we are getting 0. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. We are not getting the subtraction here. So how to do? So taking the borrow from here. ఇక్కడ నుంచి borrow తెచ్చుకోవాలమ్మా. So ఇక్కడ కూడా 0 నే ఉంది. Borrow తెచ్చుకోవడానికి no chance from this leftmost bit. So from here we are taking the borrow. ఓకేనా? సో అంటే 1 ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు దిస్ బికమ్స్ 10. ఈ 10 లో నుంచి 10 అంటే 2 ని తీసుకొచ్చినట్టమ్మా మనం. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ డెసిమల్. సో 10 లో నుంచి ఒక 1 ని మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి బారో తెచ్చుకోవాలి. సో అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? హియర్ 10 minus 1. Sorry, here 1 minus 0 means this is 1. Okay, this bit becomes 1. So here 0 minus 1 means that is not possible. Taking the borrow from the leftmost bit. Here 0. There is no, ఇక్కడ మనం బారో తెచ్చుకోవడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో మళ్ళీ ఇంకో లెఫ్ట్ మోస్ట్ బిట్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాము. ఇక్కడ నుంచి బారో తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి బారో తెచ్చుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ బిట్ 10 అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఈ బిట్ 10 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 10 దగ్గర నుంచి మనం ఒక 1 ని ఇక్కడికి తెచ్చుకుంటాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? బారో తెచ్చుకున్నప్పుడు దిస్ బికమ్స్ 10. 10 minus 1 becomes 1. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ 10 ఉన్న దాంట్లో ఒక 1 ని ఇటు తెచ్చుకున్నాం కదమ్మా బారో. 10 లో ఒక 1 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసేస్తే మనకి రిమైనింగ్ వచ్చే బిట్ ఎంత? 1. అవును కదా? సో 10 లో నుంచి ఒకటి బారో తీసేసాం, పక్కకి తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయాం. సో 10 minus 1 means that is equivalent to 1. సో అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి 1 ఉన్నట్టు. 1 minus 0 that becomes 1. సో ఇక్కడ 1 అసలు బారో తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయాం. హియర్ 0 will be there. 0 minus 0 0. ఓకేనా? సో what is the equivalent here? What is the equivalent? This will be equivalent to 7. Okay అమ్మా? అంటే 9 minus 2 that is equal to 7. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం బారో తెచ్చుకునేటప్పుడు ఏంటి? కొంచెం కాంప్లెక్సిటీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాం. కాబట్టి సో బై డూయింగ్ ద సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ we are substituting that with addition. ఓకేనా? సో ఎడిషన్ తో మనం చేయొచ్చు అన్నమాట సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ ని కూడా. హౌ టు డూ దాట్ మీన్స్ బై యూజింగ్ ద కాంప్లిమెంట్స్. The next topic is complements. By using these complements, we are doing the subtraction also by using the addition. Okay, ma? That is the purpose of these complements. Okay, so what is the complements means here? Are you understand why we are having some complexity in subtraction here? Okay. To avoid this complexity, we are taking the addition only in case of subtraction also. For doing that, we are using the complements. Okay, Amma? So now we are going to the today's topic, complements. Okay, Amma? Here, complements are used in digital computers for simplifying the subtraction operation and for logical manipulation. Okay, ma? Complements are used in digital computers for simplifying the subtraction operation. And this subtraction operation is simplify cheyadaniki we are using the complements, and for logical manipulation. Okay, ma? See here, there are two types of complements for each base R system. Base R ante, so here we are having totally 4 number systems. Those will be binary, the base is 2, decimal, the base is 10, octal, the base is 8, hexadecimal, the base is 16. Okay, Amma? So here for each number system, we are having two types of complements. Okay, Ma? For each number system, we are having two types of complements. Those will be radix complement, base or radix, both are same. Okay, Ma? Base or radix means both are same. So one complement is radix complement, that will be known as Ars complement. Okay, Ma? Ars complement. The next one is diminished radix complement. Diminished radix complement, that means R minus 1's complement. Diminished radix complement means R minus 1's complement. So here we are using two types of complements for each base R system. One complement is radix complement, that will be known as Ars complement. Complement here. Okay. So diminished radix complement means that will be known as R minus 1's complement. Okay, na? See here. If you are taking the binary number system means what is the base here or radix? The base is 2. Okay. For binary number system, the base is 2. Okay, amma, two complements untayani cheppam kada, R's complement and R minus 1's complement. That means here base is 2 kadamma. So here 2's complement means that is nothing but R's complement. Okay. Next, diminished radix complement means that will be taking as R minus 1. R minus 1. R minus 1's complement. Okay, na? So, ikkada manaki base anedi 2 kadamma, R's complement ante 2's complement. R minus 1 means 2 minus 1, that is 1's complement. Are you understand here? R's complement means 2's complement. R minus 1's 2 minus 1, that is 1's complement. And for binary numbers, we are using the complements 1's complement and 2's complements. Okay, ma? For the decimal number system, what is the base for decimal number system? Base or radix, both are same. Okay, base is 10. So here we are having 10's complement, that is R's complement. R minus 1's complement means 10 minus 1, that is 9's complement. Okay, ma? Here complement. Okay, ma? So here binary number systems kaite we are taking 1's complement, 2's complement. For decimal number system, we are having 9's complement and 10's complement. Okay, ma? So these are the complements we are taking. Suppose if you are taking octal number system. For octal number system, what are the complements we will be taking for octal? For octal means what is the base or radix? Base is equal to 8. So R's complement means 8's complement. 8's complement. R minus 1 means 8 minus 1, that is 7's complement. Okay. So 8's complement and 7's complement for octal number system. For hexadecimal number system, what is the base for hexadecimal number system? 16. Okay. So what is R's complement here? 16's complement. Okay, ma? 16's complement. R minus 1 means 16 minus 1, that is 15's complement. Okay. These are the complements we are using in general number systems. Do you understand? So here for any number system, we are having two complements. This will be R's complement and R minus 1's complement. And you understand? For binary, 1's complement and 2's complement. For decimal, 9's complement and 10's complement. For octal, 8's complement and 7's complement. For hexadecimal, 16th complement, 15th complement. Okay, ma? These are the complements we are using. Okay. So next, how to find out one's complement here? Okay. If you listen this class, then this is very easy to understand. Okay. So Chornama, one's complement. One's complement means this is for binary number system. For binary number system, we are taking one's complement and two's complement. In binary number system, what are the numbers we are considered? Only ones and zeros. Ones and zeros. Kabatti ikkada chudamma. One's complement. One's complement means suppose if the given number is taking here, how to calculate the ones complement means in binary numbers we are having only ones and zeros. So ones complement means by changing 1 to 0 and zeros to ones, then that becomes a ones complement. Just 1 ఉన్న చోటల్లా 0 place చేస్తామమ్మా, 0 ఉన్న చోటల్లా ones place చేస్తాం. That is that, then that becomes a ones complement. ఓకేనా? చూడండి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోండి. Easily we are considering this ones complement. So the given number is 10101. Okay, this is the given number 10101. Okay, how to calculate the ones complement here? By changing ones to zeros and zeros to ones. చూడండి, సో వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఎలా వస్తుందమ్మా? 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 0 వేసాం, ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 వేసుకున్నాం, 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. Okay, this is the ones complement for the given number just by changing ones to zeros and zeros to ones, then that becomes a ones complement. Okay, amma, then that becomes a ones complement. So how to calculate the two's complement? Two's complement means already we know how to calculate the ones complement. After finding the ones complement, if you are adding 1 to the least significant bit, if you are adding 1 to the least significant bit, then that becomes a two's complement. Okay amma, maniki two's complement ela vastundi ante ones complement calculate చేసిన తర్వాత దాని లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్ దగ్గర మనం 1 అనేది యాడ్ చేసాము అంటే then that becomes a two's complement. Okay amma, adding 1 to the ones complement, then that becomes a two's complement. Okay, take the number here. This is the given number, that is 10101. So we know how to calculate the ones complement. That means changing ones to zeros and zeros to ones, then that becomes a ones complement, isn't it? So ones complement, how to get? 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. Okay, this is the ones complement. For this ones complement, what is the least significant bit here? For this ones complement, the least significant bit is, what is the least significant bit? This is the least significant bit. LSB antam kadamma manam. This is the least significant bit. Okay na? So least significant bit దగ్గర we are adding 1. Okay, we are adding 1. Then 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Okay, 1. So this one will be getting here 0, 1, 0. Okay, this is the two's complement for the given number. Okay ma, for this given number, this is the two's complement. Okay, this is very easy to do. Okay, so first ones complement means we are changing ones to zeros and zeros to ones. Here we are, how to calculate the two's complement means by adding so here we are taking, this is the given number. For this given number, one's complement, by adding 1 to this one's complement, this becomes a 2's complement. Okay, ma? In this way, we are calculating the 2's complement here. Okay, na? Next, these are the two complements we are using in binary number system. Okay, ma? These are the two complements we are using in binary number system. Okay, then next, in decimal number system, here we are taking for decimal number system, what are the complements we are taking? 9's complement and 10's complement. How to take the 9's complement and 10's complement? Now we are doing. Okay, ma? So 1's complement, 2's complement. Next, here we are taking another examples. 1's complement and 2's complement. Okay, ma? Next, 9's complement. How to calculate the 9's complement? So here 9's complement means this is used in decimal number system. Okay, ma? Decimal number system. So in that decimal number system, see here, the 9's complement of any number, we have to subtract the number with 10 power n minus 1. Here, what is n? Number of digits in the number. Or in a simple manner, we have to subtract each digit of the given decimal number from 9. Okay, ma? Here we have to subtract each digit. So, prati digit ni manam 9 to subtract chestam. Okay na? So, ante ikkada manam oka decimal number తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. Suppose if you are taking the decimal number, suppose for example 592. Okay, how many digits are there? Here n equal to 3. 3 digits will be there. Suppose if you are taking 31. So how many digits? 2 digits will be there. Okay, ma? 2 digits will be there. So suppose if you are taking 9742. How many digits will be there? 4 digits will be there. Okay, ma? So here each digit will be subtracted from the 9. Then that becomes a 9's complement. Okay, ma? Next, 10's complement means after finding the 9's complement, if you are adding 1 to the 9's complement, if you are adding 1 here, add 1 with the 9's complement of the number, then we are getting the 10's complement. Okay, ma? Chudandi. How to do means, take one example. Here, let us take a decimal number 456. So 456 ane decimal number తీసుకున్నాం. This is a given number. We have to calculate how to calculate the 9's complement of the number. So how to calculate the 9's complement? 9's complement ఎలా calculate చేస్తామమ్మా మనం? చూడండి, 456 కదా. So 456 means here how many digits are there? 3 digits will be there. So దేంట్లో నుంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి మనం? 10 power n minus 1. Here n means 3 digits. 10 cube minus 1. 10 cube minus 1 means what is 10 cube? 1000. Okay? 1000. 1000 minus 1. What is the value for 1000 minus 1 means 999. Okay, ma? 999. In this way we are getting 999. లేదు అంటే సింపుల్ గా మనం ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు? ఈచ్ డిజిట్ ఈజ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ 9. ఓకేనా? చూడండి ఇక్కడ 999 minus 456. 999 minus 456. 9 minus 6 that is 3. 9 minus 5 that is 4. 9 minus 4 that is 5. That means 543 is the 9's complement for the given number 456. Are you understand here? So 543 is the 9's complement for the given number 456. Okay. So here we are doing subtracted from 999 to the given number, then we are getting the resultant. Okay. Next, how to calculate the tens complement here? How to calculate? So after doing the nines complement, if we are adding 1 to the nines complement, then we are getting the required tens complement. So మనం nines complement calculate చేసినప్పుడు మనకి 543 result వచ్చింది కదమ్మా. For that 543 adding 1, then 544. 544. So the 544 is the tens complement from the given number 456. Okay amma. So 456 ki manam tens complement calculate చేసినప్పుడు we are getting the resultant 544. Okay. So here the given number is 456. The nines complement is 543 and the tens complement is 544. Okay. Are you understand? So in this way we are calculating the nines complement and tens complement. Next, for octal numbers, we are having eights complement and sevens complement. Okay ma, eights complement and sevens complement. So how to calculate the eights complement and sevens complement? For octal, you are having base is 8. The base is equal to 8. What are the symbols we are using in this? 0, 1, 2, and so on 7. Okay. So here we are having two complements. Those will be sevens complement, and eights complement. Okay. How to take the sevens complement? Find the sevens complement. For the given number, take any example here. That number will be taking as 472. Okay. 472 is taking the example. So how to calculate? So here we are subtracting this number with 8. Each digit is subtracted from 8. So 888 minus 472. Okay ma. So we are getting subtraction here. So what is the resultant we are getting? First 8 minus 2, that is 7. Okay. Next 8 minus 7, that is 2. 8 minus 4, that is 4. Okay. Here the seventh complement is 427. How to get the eights complement here? How to get the eights complement? By adding 1 here. By adding 1. 427 వచ్చింది కదమ్మా seventh complement. So by getting eights complement, Okay, ma? For getting 8's complement, 7's complement plus 1. Okay, now how to calculate 8's complement here? 8's complement is equal to 7's complement plus 1. Okay, in this way we are calculating the 7's complement and 8's complement in for octal number systems. Okay, in the same way we are